Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Agan and this channel is called Mommy Solutions. So today I'm going to be showing you how to wash your pillow using a fully automatic washing machine. It does a perfect job. I mean, I've used it. I know it does a perfect job, so I'm just going to be showing you how to do it. So I have a very dirty pillow. This one I found in my house and I just thought, well, why not wash it? So I'm going to just ensure that I do this and I do it perfectly. So I'm just going to be showing you some of the things that I'll be using. I'll be using Omo, the bleach. It's a regular one and it is multi-purpose. I'm also going to be using the Downy luxury perfume. I like how it smells. I love it. And I'm also going to use the Toes. It's just the regular one. I don't know. I just thought I should use it because it says white. And it says, it's going to be white. So I thought, why not? So enjoy. So after setting the machine, I'm just gonna go in and put the detergent just to start washing it for the first time. I usually do this just to ensure that it washes perfectly just before I even put the bleach. So I'm going to be putting 3/4 of a cup into the machine. This is the first wash, guys. This is the first wash. I ensure that this is going to make sure that the pillow is fully soaked and it starts washing just before I put the bleach. So if you have a machine like mine, you're probably asking yourself which function I'm using. I'm using the soak function and I'm washing it for about 84 minutes. I hope this will work for the pillow because I've never really used the soak one. So I'm using the soak because it's so dirty. I don't know. That is how it looks in there. Looks so good. It's coming out. The dirt is coming out and I love it. I love this. So this is where we put the bleach. I'm going to be putting half a cup of bleach just to make sure the pillow gets it very well. And then I'll follow that with the more detergent. So this is the other pillow. It's actually dirtier than the first one. So we will just see. It's very dirty, as you can see. Very, very dirty. So this is done, and we're just going to remove it and see if it has done any, but it has tried, it has really tried. It looks clean. Looks clean. This is good. This is very good. So I'm just gonna do the same for the other pillow and see if it's gonna work like it has for this one. So here we're going to be doing the same thing we did with the other pillow. Although this is so dirty, I think I'll just use the sock again or the normal. We will see. I mean, I'm just going to use the bleach, the toys, and the Downy. So it is exactly what I'm doing here. And that's all for today. Thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe.